Dear students, we learned the first part of the rotational dynamics, uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion. The second part of this topic is a rotational motion. What is rotational motion? Motion of a body about a fixed point is called as a rotational motion. For example, we see this is a pen. We rotate this pen about the given axis and therefore the body is performing a rotational motion. To study the rotational motion, you might be learned in 11th. What is the rigid body? What is the rigid body? So, what do you understand the term rigid body? Which body is said to be rigid? In practical purpose, have a rigid body in our daily life. So, a rigid body means a body is said to be rigid if the distance between any two positions of the particle remains same, whatever and however may be the forces applied on it. For example, this is a rigid body. A rigid body means any size and shape. This is A particle, this is B particle. A relative distance between these two particles maintains constant whatever and however forces may be applied. So small, so large forces are applied, the body always maintain the distance between any two positions of the particle is called as a rigid body. A body is said to be rigid if the distance between any two positions of the particle remains constant, whatever and however may be the forces applied on it. Whatever and however, so small and so large forces are applied on it, relative distance between any two positions of the particle remains constant. This type of the body is called as a rigid body. In the universe, there is no perfectly a rigid body observed. In the universe, there is no perfectly rigid body in the universe observed. However, forces applied, small change in the position of the two particles. So therefore, practically or ideally though there is no perfectly rigid body, but practical purpose, some of the bodies are said to be rigid. सांगा बरं कोणतं एक्झाम्पल असेल? इन आवर डे टू डे लाईफ some of the bodies are rigid bodies. Some of the bodies are rigid bodies. Example, stone, diamond, quartz. आता दगड घेतला तुम्ही आणि फोर्सेस अप्लाय केलं तर ब्रेक होईल. काच घेतलात, ग्लास घेतला तर काय होईल? फोर्स अप्लाय केल्यानंतर ब्रेक होईल, पण दोन पार्टिकलमधलं डिस्टन्स हे नेहमी कॉन्स्टंट असतं. आता हिरा असेल, डायमंड आपण ज्याला म्हणतो, दॅट ऑल्सो मेंटेन्स द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन एनी टू पोजिशन ऑफ द पार्टिकल रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टंट whatever and however may be the forces applied on it. It always maintain the distance between two body is constant. Now we learned this concept of rigid body. Concept of a rigid body. In rotational motion, a body means a rigid body. A body means a rigid body which always maintain the distance between any two position of the particle remains constant, however and whatever may be the forces applied on it. Why we learn the rigid body? What is the basic concept of rigid body? In order to study the motion of the body according to the Newton's laws of motion. In order to study the motion of the body according to the Newton's laws of motion, we use the concept of a rigid body. Whatever and however may be the forces applied on it, whatever and however may be the forces applied on it, the distance between any two positions of the body remains same. And in order to study the motion of the body according to the Newton's laws of motion, we use the concept of a rigid body. We use the concept of a rigid body. After knowing the definition and example of the rigid body, now next the rotational motion. Next concept is the rotational motion. Rotational motion. Let us tell me what is the rotational motion. Now you take this rigid body. Now this body can rotate about an axis passing through any point. A rigid body rotate about an axis passing through any point. So rotational motion means motion of the body about a fixed point. Motion of the body about a fixed point is called as a rotational motion. Let me know the example of this rotational motion in our day-to-day life. Motion of fan about its armature, motion of the top about its axis, motion of the earth about its spinning axis. So many example, grinder, so many example in our day-to-day life, we have the rotational motion. So therefore, in a rotational dynamics, dynamics means motion. In a rotational dynamics means rotational motion, what we have to learn. So that is the some properties of rotational motion, some characteristics of rotational motion, and also we calculate linear velocity, angular velocity, and one more term in rotational motion is the moment of inertia. One more term in rotational motion is the moment of inertia. So to understand the moment of inertia, so moment of inertia, to learn the concept of moment of inertia, what do we understand? Inertia. Yes, have you heard the word inertia in 11th? Which topic? Fourth topic. In fourth topic, Newton's first law of motion, you hear the word inertia. Let me know, what is the inertia? You think, विचार करा, inertia तुम्ही ऐकलंय 11th मध्ये फोर्थ टॉपिकमध्ये इनर्शियाचा कन्सेप्ट आलेला आहे, किंवा 9-10th मध्ये कुठंतरी इनर्शियाचा कन्सेप्ट न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मोशनमध्ये आलेला आहे. व्हॉट डू अंडरस्टँड द टर्म इनर्शिया? सांगा बेटा, व्हॉट इज इनर्शिया? इनर्शिया ऑफ ए बॉडी. इनर्शिया ऑफ ए बॉडी. आता बॉडीचा इनर्शिया आपल्याला मेजर करायचा. इनर्शिया मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी or tendency to maintain state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line. Property to maintain state of rest or of uniform motion along a straight line. एक सिंपल एक्झाम्पल, खूप मोठा दगड आहे आणि त्याला फोर्स अप्लाय करत आहे, तो हलतच नाही, म्हणजे काय करतो तो? स्वतःची प्रॉपर्टी स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट मेंटेन करतो. आणि तो जर मोशनमध्ये असेल तर ती मोशनची प्रॉपर्टी मेंटेन करतो. म्हणजे स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट एक प्रॉपर्टी आहे आणि स्टेट ऑफ युनिफॉर्म मोशन दुसरी प्रॉपर्टी आहे. आणि इनर्शिया मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी टू मेंटेन स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट or of uniform motion along a straight line, along a straight line, unless the external force acts on, unless the external force acts on. Without applying any external force, can a body move from one place to another place? Without applying any force, Can a body move from one place to another place? No. Or body of its own changes its position, either state or of uniform motion. स्वतःहून बॉडी स्वतःची स्टेट कधी चेंज करते का? कोणती बॉडी? नॉन लिव्हिंग बॉडी, त्याला आपण म्हणतो इनॅनिमेट बॉडी असं म्हणलेलं आहे न्यूटननं. तर इनॅनिमेट म्हणजे नॉन लिव्हिंग बॉडी स्वतःची स्टेट स्वतः बदलत नाही. केव्हा बदलते? एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाय केल्यानंतर. म्हणजे इनर्शिया मीन्स इनर्शिया रेस्ट, massive property. Inertia of the body is measured in terms of mass. Heavy body have more inertial property as compared to the light body. Heavy body have more inertial property as compared to the light body. And so therefore this concept of inertia already we learned in 11th. And this inertia is related to the linear motion. This inertia is related to the linear motion. Now in this topic we learned the first article, that is in rotational motion, that is moment of inertia. What is moment of inertia? What is moment of inertia? It is oftenly called as rotational inertia. Similar to the inertia means inertia of the rest, inertia of the motion in linear motion. And same analogy, same analogous property in a rotational motion, and therefore it is called as moment of inertia. Moment of inertia is oftenly called as rotational inertia. So what is the rotational inertia? Let us tell me. In a similar to the moment of inertia, similar to the inertia, property to maintain state of rotational motion, property to maintain state of rotational motion is called as rotational inertia. Property to maintain state of rotational motion or property to oppose to change the state of rotational motion. मेंटेन करणे आणि बदलाला विरोध करणे. आता ती बॉडी रोटेशनल मोशन परफॉर्म करत आहे. एक्सटर्नल टॉर्क, कशामुळे बॉडी रोटेट होते? व्हॉट इज द कॉज ऑफ रोटेशनल मोशन? द कॉज ऑफ रोटेशनल मोशन इज द एक्सटर्नल अनबॅलन्स्ड टॉर्क. दॅट इज व्हॉट इज द कॉज ऑफ लिनियर मोशन? सपोज दिस पेन इज हेल्ड and we want to move this. External force is applied so that it moves from one place to another place. So that it moves from one place to another place. The external force is the cause to move body from one place to another place. In a very similar way, to rotate the body about the given axis of rotation, the external unbalanced torque acts on it. And the concept of the torque already you have learned in 11. What is that concept? Magnitude of either force and perpendicular distance between two forces is called as the torque, and due to the external torque the body is set into rotational motion about its axis of rotation. Once body starts performing rotational motion, then the term arises, and that term is called as moment of inertia or rotational inertia. Moment of inertia or rotational inertia. So what do you understand the term rotational inertia? So rotational inertia or moment of inertia, a rotational inertia or moment of inertia. So let us consider a rigid body, and every rigid body is made up of large number of infinitely small particles. This is the rigid body. A rigid body, it consists of large number of infinitely small particles. This first particle of mass m1 at a distance r1, the second particle of mass m2 at a distance r2 moving with linear velocity v2, and third particle r3 mass m3 and linear velocity v3, and next particle, last particle mn, rn distance with velocity vn. The body is rotating about an axis passing through any point O but perpendicular to the plane of the body. Let us imagine, असं गृहीत धरा, ही एक बॉडी आहे. हे बॉडी, कोणतीही बॉडी, एनी टाइप ऑफ द बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इन्फिनिटी स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स. Large number of infinitely small particles of masses m1, m2, m3 and so on mn, they are situated at a distance r1, r2, r3 and rn from the axis of rotation respectively. Now, the moment of inertia of a rotating rigid body, moment of inertia we denote, moment of inertia is denoted by letter I, and therefore moment of inertia I is equal to product of masses of each particle and square of the distances from the axis of rotation. So what is the definition of moment of inertia? Moment of inertia of a rotating rigid body. If the body is performing rotational motion, then the moment of inertia arises. Otherwise, if the body is in a straight line motion or linear motion, the property possesses is the inertia. That is why at the beginning of this article, I explain the concept of inertia. When the body is set into rotational motion, then the moment of inertia plays. Moment of inertia plays. What moment of inertia? Moment of inertia of a rotating rigid body about the given axis of rotation. About the given axis of rotation is defined as, it is the product of masses of each particle and square of the distances from the axis of rotation. Let us see here, m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square plus and so on mn rn square. So sum of the product of mass and square of distance. Mathematically we put here I is equal to 1 to n mi ri square. So I is equal to 1 to n summation. What is the meaning of this? That is first particle to nth particle, product of mass and square of the distance, product of mass and square of the distance from the axis of rotation. So what is the definition of moment of inertia? Moment of inertia of a rotating rigid body about the given axis of rotation is defined as sum, SUM, sum म्हणजे बेरीज, addition, SUM, sum of the product of masses and square of the distances from the axis of rotation, square of the distances from the axis of rotation respectively. And moment of inertia, is it a vector or scalar? Basically moment of inertia is a scalar, but due to the rotational motion, it appears to be vector. So therefore it is neither vector nor scalar, it is a tensor. That is moment of inertia, moment of inertia is a tensor. Moment of inertia is a tensor. And what is the SI unit? SI unit of I is, what is formula? mr square. Kg meter square is the SI unit, and CGS unit is, what is CGS unit? Tell me. Gram centimeter square. And dimension of moment of inertia mr square. L चा power 2, m चा power 1, t चा power 0. This is the dimension of moment of inertia. Dimension of moment of inertia. Now, what are the factors affecting the moment of inertia? Moment of inertia of a rotating rigid body not only depends upon mass but also depends upon distribution of mass about the given axis of rotation.